Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel.
I'm begging, now, baby.
Let's start. To make this you need CapCut. If you don't have CapCut, you can download CapCut from link given in the description below. After downloading CapCut, click the template link given in the description. After clicking the link, you will be directed on this page. If you are from India, you have to use VPN to make this work. Cause CapCut is banned in India due to security reasons. Now click on Use Template in CapCut. Now click on Use Template and add your 9 photos. Then click on Next. Now check your video. Now click on Export and then click on Export without watermark. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for all latest updates.